In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file in Yahoo email. By the end, you'll be able to confidently send documents, images, or PDFs without any confusion. Start by opening Yahoo Mail and selecting the Compose button to begin a new message. This opens a clean draft where you can set everything up. In the new email window, look for the paperclip or the Attach Files icon. That's your gateway to adding the file you want to share. Yahoo Mail supports a variety of common formats, and for free accounts, the combined size of all attachments can be up to 25 megabytes. If you're close to that limit, consider choosing a smaller file or trimming unnecessary pages or images before you attach. When you click Attach Files, a file browser window will appear. This is where you navigate to the folder where your file lives, maybe your desktop, a downloads folder, or a specific project folder. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right version. Clear file names make life easier for your recipient, so if needed, rename the file on your computer before attaching to keep it obvious and professional. Select the file you want to attach, whether it's a document, image, or PDF, and click Open. That action kicks off the upload. Now, wait patiently for the file to finish uploading. The time this takes depends on your internet speed and the size of the file. Keep the window open and avoid refreshing the page until it's done. You'll know the attachment is ready when you see the file displayed inside the email draft, usually near the bottom of the Compose window. This is a good moment to double-check the file name and size to be sure everything looks correct. Next, enter the recipient's email address carefully. A small typo can send your message to the wrong place, so take a second look before moving on. Then add a clear, relevant subject line and write your message. It helps to mention the attachment in your message so the recipient knows what to expect, for example, a brief note about what the file contains or why you're sending it. When everything looks good, click Send to deliver your email with the attached file. That's all there is to it. You've successfully attached and sent a file in Yahoo Mail, and your recipient will be able to download it directly from the message. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.